Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do our top 5 standing core exercises. Now with the Paloff press, we're going to go ahead and grab this band with the outside hand. Inside hand cups the outside hand, step out, and from here we're going to extend the hands out in front of us. And right there at full extension from the arms is where it's going to be the hardest for our core. And then we're going to bring it back in. Exhale on the way out. Keep your core tight and stable on the way in. Now for the torso twist, just like the Paloff press, let's grab this band with the outside hand, inside hand cups it. We're going to step out just a little bit with our arms straight, and then now from here, keeping our arms straight, we're going to pivot that inside foot and then rotate until the band hits my arm and come back slowly. For our wood chop, we're going to grab the band with both hands palm down, stepping out slightly, and then now the same thing as the torso rotation where we're going to bring the band all the way to where we touch our arm and pivot the inside foot. Standing band crunch, we're going to grab the band up as high as we can, bring the band down. Our elbows fixed in, and then keeping our elbows fixed in, we're going to crunch down, trying to keep our body nice and tight. Standing med ball rotational slam. We're going to take our med ball arm slightly straight, rotate to toss the med ball. Once it bounces off, let's catch it, bring it back, and rethrow. So, boom, catch, rotate. Let's pivot that outside foot on each rotation. Now there's a quick tutorial for our top 5 standing core exercises. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Top 5 standing core exercises, throw them in your routine and let me know what you think.